Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves? Yeah, I just hit a mic key for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, Dior, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this, yeah, ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live.
This is our number, 329. Let's go ahead and open that up. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Come on in, darling. Look at that. Whoa. As you walk in, I'm going to take you guys inside the bathroom real quickly. This was not going to be too long of a show and tell. This is the bathroom. Beautiful, real spacious.
I do like how they have the glass door on the shower rather than the curtains.
Yeah, they have that barn doors type setting.
Yeah,
it is glass all the way, and you have your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Beautiful. Thank God it's not the rainfall.
Right, but it looks like it's big enough, so that should be a pretty decent shower.
As you come back out here, there's a long standing mirror, place to rest your keys and stuff like that. Over on this side, we have a microwave. We have my husband loves the Keurig, and we got a refrigerator. I guess we complimentary water inside. Very nice. Ooh, we opted to go for a queen size. Is it queen, right? Or we did a king?
It is a queen.
This is a queen size we did. I'm just going to give you guys a panoramic view of the room. We did a queen size with a sofa, workstation, and then over here is the television. I like it because on this side, look at that. You can control your own lamps. If Huzzy wants to read at night and I'm sleeping, not a problem. Also on this side, guys, I must say we were supposed to check in. At what time, honey?
4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock. What time is it right now?
It is 9:45.
9:45 they allowed us. 9:45 they allowed us. Look at it, guys. 9:50. The clock says 9:53. They allow us to check in. You come here with this lovely sofa sitting area in case you have company over. A beautiful tall reading lamp. This table, look at it, can be moved. It can be moved and come wherever you want it. And we are facing, what are we facing? There's a university over there. Yeah, there's a college area. Beautiful. Cannot go wrong. Workstation for my huzzy. Come back to the television area. They gave us another gift for being, look, it says thank you. I gotta show you guys, my name is also on the board. Look guys, you gotta see this. Hello to all IG members. And what you see there? There you go. We on the board. We on the board.
You're on the board.
We on the board. Boy, what we got, honey? Could you come open it, darling? Let me just go ahead and there we go. What we got?
This is your Platinum Elite gift.
There you go. What was it?
You got a bottle of water.
Nice.
And some Chex
Mix. And my receipt.
Yes.
Oh, that's what they say.
Survey.
It's a survey. Okay, good.
Survey, get 200 points.
Oh, I am going to do that. Guys, listen. That's how I get a lot of my points. That's how I get a lot of my points. Let me open here and see what's in here. Ooh. So you also got a lot of hangers, which I love. You got an iron, an ironing board. And ooh, honey, did you see this safe? Pretty different. Look at that.
Oh, that's a nice size safe.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes.
That is different. Close the top. Let me see, babes. That is different. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
To put our stuff and things inside. And then you exit out. Close the cupboard for me if you don't mind. Thank you. And then you exit back this way. Yeah. Love it. Do you like it, babes?
I like it. It's nice and spacious.
Yeah, I like it too.
I like the around the mirror.
I do.
The light around
I
the mirror.
forgot to show them the light around the mirror. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
The light for when we ladies need to do our makeup and you gotta do your hair, you know. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was our quick room tour. I'm just going to give you guys a panoramic view of the room.
Hearts worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me, with every tear that falls from your eyes. Oh, you have me completely. I'll be there when I'll be there when you need me. Trust, it builds a home, and ours is a sacred place where we both belong. Faith,
I do all the surveys when they tell us to do surveys. I've been a elite member. I'm telling you guys, you gotta get out, do it for self, go enjoy life, go out. It don't matter where it's at. Listen, babe and I are about to tear up Houston. We're gonna tear up Houston.
Houston will never be the same again.
Have two rebels in it.
Right here.
We have two rebels in the building.
Let's see what Houston has to offer.
Yeah. So let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go and change my clothes, take a shower, because we've been on the road all day long. Take a shower, and then let's go see what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
What trouble we gonna get in
We're gonna
today?
get in a little bit of trouble today.
Yeah, guys.
A little bit today. More tomorrow, but a little bit today.
Okay. More trouble tomorrow.
More trouble tomorrow. Yeah.
More trouble.
Take it easy. We'll ease our way into it.
Okay, I'll see you guys in the vlog then. I'll see you guys when we finish, get dressed, and we heading out, right, baby?
That's right.
Okay. Yep. See you guys. I'm gonna go unpack. Are you gonna hang up your clothes and stuff like that? Okay. Yeah, so guys, this was our quick room tour. We just wanted to show you guys it was a whole full night of driving. Listen.
14 and a half hours.
14 and a half hours. But we did it. So here we need to surprise my mom and my sister, my family members. They don't even know I'm in. So I'm gonna take you guys over in that video as well. If you want to take a look, go ahead. Stay here, enjoy all that content. I'm gonna take them out. We're gonna have a really, it is really his vacation. We were listen, sidebar. We were supposed to be on a cruise, weren't we?
That's right. We were supposed to be on a cruise.
We were supposed to be on a cruise. The cruise got canceled because of what? Was COVID, right, darling?
We canceled the cruise because of your situation.
Oh my God, how could I forget? Because of my situation with my tooth.
Yeah.
If you want to see that, I'm going to put some thumbnails up right here. You can go and enjoy those videos as well with me going to Turkey and trying to get my mouth done. And a whole blah, blah, blah happened. So I'm going to put thumbnails up so you can enjoy those videos. So this was supposed to be our trip to...
this was our cruise to the Bahamas.
Our cruise to the Bahamas.
Yeah.
We are going to the Bahamas, believe me, but it's not just yet. I have to wait a little bit because you guys know I had a pick line in, so listen.
Well, you weren't sure when it was coming out, and the timing was too close, so we just decided to go ahead and
You know what to do, guys? Go on, like, comment, subscribe, shoot up in the comment section so you'll be in the loop of when I post videos and you'll know what's going on. So, having said that, we're going to go get our luggage, right, baby?
Let's do it.
There we go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, follow me on my handle, Star Pollyanna, on the screen as well as down below. I'm going to get my bags and unpack. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Baby, you ready? He was ironing. I'm going to drive up to their house and then we're going to on the door and kind of surprise him. Hopefully, praise Lord, they're home.
Maybe I should've let you go. I should've let you just walk on by. Never even said hi. No, then we would never know just how hard it feels to open up hearts, to have